Today we are going to transform this little Dollar Tree mushroom using some Rust-Oleum cement paint. This paint is brand new. I've never seen it before, but I thought this would be perfect for transforming Dollar Tree items into something really cool that you could put around your house. So let's jump into it. Okay, so for this project we are going to use this Rust-Oleum cement spray paint. This is pretty new and it's really cool. It gives the texture of the actual cement kind of feel to the things that you're painting. And I just went to the Dollar Tree and I got some of this new kind of garden decor that they have going on. I thought it'd be really cool to spray paint these in the cement color and put them in the garden. So for these mushrooms, I'm going to kind of do the underneath side first of them. And they have a hole in the bottom where you can kind of just hook your finger in. And then just kind of hit it. And it gives it a really cool texture. And with the frog, I'm just trying to get his chin underneath and the underside of his arms. With the gnome, I'm just going to lay it on its side and do it this way since there's no hole to hold on to. And so now I'm just hitting the base of the mushrooms. One thing when you're spray painting, you don't want to just hold the trigger and go. You want to do it in little, you want to do it in like rows. So the key is you don't want to put so much spray paint that's going to drip. You just want it to be a nice even coating. And so now I'm just going to inspect that I haven't missed any spots because you can either reapply a coat of this in 1 hour or 48 hours. So I want to really make sure that I have it all covered. All right, so this is all looking good to me, so we can just let it dry in the sun. One tip about these specialty Rust-Oleum spray paints is they clog a lot. So what I always like to make sure I do is turn the can upside down and just make sure all of the air gets pushed out of it. That way it's not going to clog. And we should be good. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I'll put everything I use for this video down below in the description. If you try this out for yourself, I'd love to see it. Feel free to tag me over on Instagram. But thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!